Hello. Today we'll learn how to export your presentation to a PowerPoint using the platform Unni.ai. I've already created my account and created my presentation, and the video is here on the channel if you want to check it out. To export into a PowerPoint is very simple. First, let's revise our presentation. So you can click Edit Slide and check if the information is to your liking. The images, the layouts, everything looks great for me. So I'm gonna come here to this button, export. As you can see, you can export to a lot of different formats. For this video, I'm gonna be exporting into a PowerPoint. So I'm gonna click PowerPoint and export. It takes only a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's very fast and the export was successful. So I'm gonna open it up in my computer so you guys can see. And here is the presentation exported into PDF. You can see that it looks exactly like it did in the platform, looks perfect. And if you want to revise, it's up to you. And this is your presentation exported into PDF. Thank you for watching.